Well, apparently we are here in the plant growth building. However, I'm kind of disappointed because I haven't seen one plant while looking around this building. But what I did find is a really cool long elevator. So let's take it for a ride. Let's go to 3. Still no plants to be seen. It's back down to 1. I like that it has the older style buttons and logo. So it looks like Long came back and put a new fire service panel on. Oh, it looks like it works too, potentially. Yeah, it actually works. Now that was a cool old long elevator. Now I gotta go find a plant somewhere.